Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert any images in PDF. So friend, here I'm going to show you the sample image which we want to convert as a PDF. So friend, now you can see that this is my sample image and this image I want to convert as a PDF. So what I will do here, friend, you will see there's three dot icon which is available on the top. You simply click on that, and friend, here you will see that the save as option. You simply click on that, and friend, here you will get the many options like here. Okay, but here we are not getting PDF option. So friend, how we can do that? So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a simple and easy steps to convert this image in PDF. Stay tuned. So friend, first thing first, this is my photo apps application, and here on the top you can see that this print option, or you can use your keyboard shortcut Control P. You simply click on this print option, and friend, here you can see that the very advanced option is available, Microsoft Print to PDF option. You simply select this option and then you can click on this print option, right? So friend, whenever you print these things, then this will ask you to save the location where you want to save this image as a PDF. We are going to simply select that folder where I grab this photo, and here we are going to save one.pdf. Okay, and simply click on this save button. Let's see this image is saved in PDF or not. We are going to simply close this application, and here you can see this PDF option is saved in my particular directory. We are going to click on this PDF option. So friend, when I click on that option, then you can see that my photo is converted into PDF. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easy way to convert or save your image as a PDF. So friend, if you like this video, then like this video and also share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.